Hey, Conor here at Neversink Farm. And today I want to show you how to take care of your Mutineer. If you ever see your worker doing this, or if you think about doing this, don't. Don't stick the head of a Mutineer into the soil without a head, because dirt will get stuck in there, right? And if you drop this on the ground and you get dirt on the end of this, just give it a wipe before you stick it in there. Because what will happen is you'll jam it down to the bottom, and then it'll be a bunch of dirt. But if it does happen, I'm going to show you what to do. First thing you want to do is a nice jet of water to get really deep in there and work out the soil that's been jammed in. Okay, then what I do is I give it a light tap on the concrete. Give it another jet. All right, and that jet of water should do it. If it still does it, just stick a wire in there, and you may have a bunch of stuff really jammed at the bottom. Just give it a bit of a, and I can see, you see that dirt on there? That means it's really jammed, all right? So we're gonna really clear it out. All right, my little demo for you really did it. Once you get that wire in there, and give it another one. Couple of taps. Magic. All right, if you want to see more videos or you want to check out some online courses, go to neversinkfarm.com. Till next time.